Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Ford Transit Custom wing mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a Torx T20 screwdriver, and a new mirror assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged to prevent any accidental movement. Familiarize yourself with the new mirror's components to understand how it connects. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth and efficient replacement process, saving you time and effort later on. Next, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by gently prying off the interior trim panel located behind the mirror, using your trim removal tool to avoid damage. Once the panel is off, you will see the electrical connector. Carefully disconnect this by pressing the small release tab and pulling it apart. Then, use your Torx T20 screwdriver to unscrew the 3 bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Support the mirror as you remove the final bolt to prevent it from falling. Now, it's time to install your brand new wing mirror. Carefully align the new mirror assembly with the bolt holes on the door frame. Insert and hand tighten the 3 Torx T20 bolts first, then use your screwdriver to tighten them securely, but do not over-tighten. Reconnect the electrical wiring harness, ensuring it clicks firmly into place to guarantee proper function of the mirror's features, such as heating or electric adjustment. This step ensures a stable and functional installation. Finally, perform some crucial checks to ensure everything works perfectly. Turn on your vehicle and test all the mirror's functions, such as electric adjustment, folding, and heating, if your model includes these features. Make sure the mirror moves smoothly in all directions. Then, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, pressing it firmly until it snaps securely back into position. Double-check that the new mirror is stable and does not wobble, confirming a successful and safe installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.